also known as SSMS. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to download SSMS, how to install it properly, and how to set it up for the first time. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Google. Now, search for download SQL Server. You'll see the official website from the Microsoft. Click on it and scroll down and select that SQL Server 2025 Express. Now click on download now. The file is downloaded. Click on it. You will see an option as do you want to allow this app to make changes to your devices. So click on yes. After that, you get the three options: basic, custom and download media. Click on basic and read the all terms and condition, then accept it. Then click on install. It takes few time because the file is around 700 MB, so it may take few minutes depending on your internet speed. Very important, SSMS is only tool/interface. It does not store data itself. It actually works with the databases, so you also need Microsoft SQL Server. So let's install it. Install on the option of SSMS. Then click on Google Chrome or any of that browser you want to. Now select the option of download SQL Server Management Studio to 22 installer. Basically, it is an official Microsoft page. Okay. Now click on vssms.xee. Click on yes. Continue. Click on install and it takes you time. So basically in this the packages are installing, and after that we go to next step. After installing, you get your server name. If you don't get your server name, click on browse, click on local and select this. Okay, then check the trust server certificate and click on connect option. You have to connect your server with SSMS. Now click on new query. Now here you can start your codes.